Starting a business with $3,500 to $6,500 in 2025. $6,500 lets you move beyond basic side hustles and invest in something more professional. This budget allows for better equipment, branding, and services with higher profit margins. Welcome to Rich Mind. Here we share actionable money strategies and business ideas that are built for today's economy. In this video, I'll show you 6 practical businesses you can start with $3,500 to $6,500 in 2025. 1. Specialty pet services or mobile pet grooming. The pet industry is booming. With $4,000 to $6,000, you can launch a mobile pet grooming unit or partner with local pet stores for space. Your budget covers grooming tables, dryers, clippers, and shampoos. A session costs $40 to $80, and premium add-ons like nail trimming can push it above $100. Grooming just 3 pets a day means $900 to $1,000 weekly. Pet walking or monthly grooming packages create steady recurring income. Second, eco-friendly cleaning and waste solutions. Green services are growing as households and businesses focus on sustainability. For $3,500 to $5,000, buy eco-friendly cleaning equipment and biodegradable supplies. Target small offices, cafes, and restaurants. You can charge 20 to 30% more by branding yourself as a green cleaning service. Adding recycling or compost pickup for local businesses can generate monthly contracts worth $300 to $500 each. 3. Mobile tire change and car battery service. No one enjoys waiting at repair shops for a tire swap or battery replacement. With $4,000 to $6,000, get portable tire changing equipment and a reliable jumpstart kit. Seasonal tire changes can cost $60 to $100 per car. During peak seasons, even 8 jobs a day can bring $500 to $800. Add-on services like wiper blade replacements or quick detailing can increase your daily income. 4th, content creation studio for local businesses. Small businesses need quality content to grow online, but don't have the time or skills to create it. Use $3,500 to $5,000 to buy cameras, lighting, microphones, and editing software. Offer content packages, photos, short videos, or social media ads for $300 to $500 each. With 6 clients per month, that's $2,000 to $3,000 in revenue. Monthly retainer packages for ongoing social media support can make your income more predictable. 5. Small-scale urban farming or hydroponics. Indoor farming is trending because fresh, local produce sells at a premium. With $3,500 to $6,500, set up a hydroponic system to grow microgreens or herbs. Restaurants and health-conscious stores pay top dollar for consistent, high-quality greens. A 20 to 30 square foot system can generate hundreds of dollars monthly with minimal upkeep. Selling directly to consumers through weekly subscription boxes can double your margins. 6. Mobile furniture and appliance repair service. People are choosing to repair rather than replace quality items. For $4,000 to $6,000, buy portable woodworking and repair tools, sanders, and refinishing kits. Charge $50 to $150 per repair. Services like restoring tables, fixing coffee machines, or refinishing chairs are always needed. Completing 10 jobs a week can bring $500 to $1,000 with minimal overhead. Which business should you start? If you prefer hands-on work, pet grooming or mobile repair is ideal. For eco-conscious markets, green cleaning or urban farming stands out. And if you enjoy creative projects, content creation is both scalable and in demand. The key is to choose one idea, start small, and stay consistent for at least 90 days. Final thoughts. With $3,500 to $6,500, you can build a business that generates consistent income and long-term growth. Each of these ideas is realistic and built for today's market. Which of these ideas excites you the most? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Rich Mind for more business strategies and financial tips.